This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 235BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, microwave, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, awning, air conditioning, oven, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 235BH is 5,462 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.